Hi, Bob.
Hi, love. Ang
How are
galing
you?
mo naman.
I always have... I always have a good time when I'm on stage with Sarah. She's the best. Is she the best? Is she the most beautiful?
Goodness gracious.
Baby,
Oh.
first off, before we say hi to everybody, you're very, very beautiful tonight.
You're very, very handsome tonight, always.
Sometimes, sa bilis ng buhay, sa bilis ng mga araw, minsan nalilimutan ko magsabi, I'm very lucky and I love you very much. And maybe let's say thank you first.
Yes.
Can we play some romantic music, Jen? Play some romantic music when we say thank you.
Yeah.
Are you ready for more? Bye, Bob.
Once again, my husband, Mateo Gunicelli.
Mamaya, kita tayo sa Facebook. Follow me, Mateo Gunicelli. Itatago mamaya.